The battle of your father's house is not only in your blood, but also connected to your soul. Because the soul has the mind, has the will, and has the emotions. This helps me understand why some people behave like their father unconsciously. Your father was a good man. Your father used to help people in the community. In fact, the day your father died, the whole village came to bury him. They loved him. You're only 12 years, and you're now a favorite in your school. The small lunch your father packs for you, your mother packs for you, you share with everyone. It's a good thing. There's nothing negative with that. But what is that? Who has informed your soul to be that, to be like that, to be a giver, to be loving, to be caring? That which was with your father. Ancestral power, don't think it only affects your blood. Your blood is connected to your soul, where your soul is the seat of your character and your emotions. So point number one, understand that ancestral battle will kick in into your life without your conscious participation. That means you have to pray in the spirit and always be on guard so that you can terminate what wants to come in unconsciously. Hello? That's why I have to pray on purpose, not on impulse. If I'm to wage war against my father's house, I don't need to wait for something to happen to say, hey, it's true. This thing is affecting me now. I see this sickness was with my mother. I see sickness. Okay, so now let's start to pray. You're late. Once you identify a battle in your bloodline, you start to program your prayer life. And every day, as God gives you grace, you begin to scatter it. You begin to speak scriptures against it. You begin to speak the word of God against it. You begin to separate yourself consciously, because that battle will come in without your conscious participation. It is already programmed. You have to deprogram it by continuous prayer, meditation, kingdom service, and living for God. You don't understand why you're passing all those business law exams. But these are the things you have no interest at all. Only to check it's in your bloodline. And there's nothing wrong with passing that exam. The only challenge I have is that you cannot pick one and leave the other. And that's why ancestral success is not bad. The only challenge with ancestral success is that it comes with everything. You cannot pick one and say, I'll pick this and I'll not pick that. No. Once you take whatever is ancestral, it comes as a package. So you're a good lawyer, but you cannot keep a home, because it's in